This video will walk through how to copy and paste an item in Project Insight. In this example, we're going to copy and paste this Build a Rocket project. Now, in many instances when you want to copy an item, or specifically a project, it's when you're already halfway through or maybe even finished a project that you want to duplicate and reuse again. Now, the most common way to do that is to edit the project and indicate it as a template to then reuse at a later time. Now that is really helpful, but at the same time you may want to maybe make a duplicate of this Build a Rocket project and then keep this one as your historical archive of the project that you actually completed already. The first thing that you will need to do is put this project on your clipboard. So what you'll need to do here is go to the tools icon up here and go ahead and hit copy. By doing so, it'll be added to your clipboard, and you can also hit add to clipboard. But in this case, we're just going to want to head and copy it. And you'll note that now there's an option to paste. You can even check what's on your clipboard. Build a Rocket is currently on your clipboard. You can have multiple things on your clipboard, which is helpful for maybe later examples where you want to copy multiple things and put them in different locations. Now, we don't want to paste the project onto its own project because that's not really going to be allowed in Project Insight anyway. Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to hit the back button and go back to our IT folder. Now, since I want to keep this project in its same folder, but just have a copy of it, what I can do is go to this tools icon up here, and I can hit paste. Before I do so, I also want to make a note that if I were on the folder view already, I could actually right-click on Build a Rocket and hit copy from here. So now that this project is copied, I'm going to go ahead and paste it. And now my Build a Rocket copy 1 has been saved. Please note that anytime you copy an item, it will say copy 1 next to it. So if I want to rename it, I can go ahead and edit the project, Build a Rocket template, and then in this copy, I'll go ahead and mark it as a template. So now I have two projects, Build a Rocket, one that I can keep for archival purposes, and one I can keep as a template to reuse again in the future.